Hello FutureMakers, welcome to How to Teach Phonics to Your Children Part 2. In Part 1, we've discussed the first steps that you should take. And today I'm going to tell you how can you take one step ahead. Once your child is comfortable with the words, you should now move on to tricky words or sight words. These are the words that will frequently come while reading, and hence the child must know the tricky words. After that, you could move to blending. The children must be taught how to blend. You could use many methods to teach them blending, and for that we are gonna come up with a long form video very soon. After blend, you could proceed to syllables and phonemes and graphemes. These are minute topics, but they are really important when we try to teach phonics and increase their phonological awareness. Ma'am, my child already knows all this. He's grown enough for this. Now what? To know that, you must come to part 3 of this video. You must follow us and subscribe to TeacherPreneur because we're going to see you soon in part 3.